Okay, from 5?
Yep.
All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Here I am at the Keg in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, once again taking on their Yardbird Challenge, Chicken Tender Edition. I had finished their fried chicken version, but wanted to go back and complete this form of the challenge. While I finished this much faster than the fried chicken, I was still short 22 seconds from the fastest time. Getting the chicken straight from the fryer definitely slowed me down, as you can see the steam when I break open the tenders. So, attempt round 2 at a later date. What was the time?
You did 10 minutes and 41 seconds.
Oh, so
Oh
just
my gosh,
short.
you were so
That was so close.
close.
1 second.